Okay, let's talk about the interior. We really tried to give the interior a fresh, sporty, updated feel without going overboard budget-wise. So let's just kind of go over some of the improvements that we've made. We started off by picking up some adhesive carpet from Amazon, and we carpeted the entire thing. So if you recall from previous episodes, we primed the whole interior, we POR 15'd the interior and spray painted it. We then put sound deadening material throughout the interior, and then we've put this adhesive carpet all over everything. So, it's definitely, gives just like a kind of a nice feel to it. And there's still some plans. I think we'll probably make a center armrest console to go in the middle of the seats here. But generally speaking, the carpeting came out great. I was looking at carpet kits, and ultimately I just decided that I wanted to try to do custom carpet and just really cover everything. So that's kind of how that ended up. So the floor mats are the original floor mats that came with the car. The only thing that we did with the floor mats, besides cleaning them up, is we just took a Sharpie and just kind of went over the letters a little bit. You can see already from feet's, it's kind of wearing off, but it did the job and kind of, freshened that up again. We did the same Sharpie trick here on the steering wheel. You can see, this logo was all black before, and, again, just a little silver Sharpie, cleaned that up nicely. So that's the carpeting and sort of the base. The seats, these are actually just inexpensive seat covers for now to give us an idea as far as what we would like. I really like this white pinstripe. I think it's really gives a sporty look to the seats. And while these seats, these covers are not the nicest, they were just sort of like an AutoZone inexpensive thing, it gives us an idea. And there are some versions of them that are a little bit nicer online that I've seen that we'll probably try to upgrade to. You can even see we still have the original caramel colored seat underneath. So we ended up painting the vinyl panels using the same vinyl paint as the center console. And so all of the interior panels now are a nice fresh black versus the original brown. I just am over the moon about how this looks. I think it came out great. The original brown was very tired looking. It had a lot of stains and worn spots, and for a quick upgrade, I think it just came out fantastic. So that's basically the interior upgrade. We've also reinstalled, even though there's no top currently for the car, we have reinstalled the boot for the convertible top, just because it gives it a little bit more of a finished look versus just having it bare. Plus, if we do keep things behind the seats, we can kind of tuck them up and underneath. And I'm kind of going back and forth as to whether I want to do like a little like maybe like a hideaway kind of cargo thing there. That's a possibility, definitely. So we'll think about that too. But not much more to talk about here. It's just our little car.